Hi everyone, I'm Jesse Happy and you're watching Kalakar.in. This week I wanted to make these shelves. In fact, I'm actually remodeling the entire shop and there will be many consecutive videos for that. And that's one of the main reasons why I was not able to put out the video, because it's been almost a year since I moved to the shop and I want to get it renovated. I understood what are the limitations of the shop, how I have to improve it, and that's what I'm doing. So you will find videos regarding that in the future. But let's start with this one. So here you can see I've put different shelves with bins on top of it, and to put the shelves we need some kind of a stand. The commercial ones available are very costly, and I thought, why can't we do it with epoxy resin? So what I did was I first designed it in Fusion 360, then I 3D printed it, then I actually made a mold for it, then I started pouring epoxy into it, and I made 12 stands. So with that I was able to put these 3 shelves, and in this video I will be showing you how we can do all those things. This is a very simple process, but I thought I should let you know how I can make the mold, save the cost on silicone, because I made an outer shelf for the mold as well, so that the silicone is less used. And epoxy was a very strong material once it gets solidified, and I was able to do creative stuff like put pizza sprinkles on top of it, add colors to it, add golden dust and all kind of such materials, and you can just make them in a various way. If not all, just transparent epoxy resin also looks absolutely great. Let me know what you think about this project down in the comments, and if you have any questions, please do ask me in the comment area, and I will definitely check out everything and reply to you. Please do check me on Instagram at kalakar.in to see what I am working on right now. I am Jesse Happy, and you've been watching kalakar.in. Until next time, happy learning.